Hey everybody, welcome to Chem. We're going to do a practice problem on the ideal gas law, solving for temperature. Here we go. At what temperature in Kelvin would 2 moles of a gas be if it were kept in a 3.55 liter container at STP? STP is standard temperature and pressure. Standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. I like to write out my units and variables just to see what I have and what I'm looking for. Here we go. P, V, N, R, and T. So it says at what temperature? So I'm going to put a question mark by temperature here in Kelvin. So I put that K. Would 2 moles is your N value, of a gas be if it were kept in a 3.55 liter, it's volume, container at STP. So your standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. And your R value, that's your gas constant. You want to choose the one that contains atmospheres. So that value is 0.0821 liters times atmospheres over moles times Kelvin. We want to write out our formula. It is PV equals nRT. And then we just have to sub in what we have. So pressure is 1 atmosphere. Volume is 3.55 liters. My N value is 2 moles. My R value is 0.0821. And then my T value is what I'm trying to find. So I'm just going to put a T there. I don't like to plug too many numbers into my calculator at the same time. It's just easier to make a mistake that way. So I'm just going to clean up all my numbers. So on the left side there, I'm going to multiply 1 times 3.55, and that will be 3.55. And I'm going to pull down my units, ATM times liters. And then I'm going to multiply 2 times 0.0821, and that will get me 0.1642. And I lost some units when I did that. I lost the moles, and I have to carry down all the rest of my units. So I've got liters times atmospheres over Kelvin, and that is still multiplied by T. Now, in order to get T by itself, I have to divide each side by 0.1642 and all the units. And then over on the right, when you divide something by itself, it cancels. Over on the left side, I lose some units. I lose atmospheres and I lose liters. And I'm going to end up with Kelvin. Whoops, I don't know why I wrote that. And that makes sense because I'm solving for temperature, and those are the units we want for our temperature. And when you take 3.55 divided by 0.1642, you're going to get 21.62 Kelvin, and that's equal to T.